I'm so excited to show you how to make these sweetie pie earrings. I think you're going to love them. First, gather your supplies. I used cotton thread size 3, a 2.25 millimeter hook, scissors, needle nose pliers, earring hooks, and a variety of hoops. In order to start, you're going to grab your hoop and your thread, insert your hook into the hoop, and then yarn over, twist that yarn around the hook and pull it out, and then create a chain 1 over the hoop. So again, insert the hook, yarn over, twist the yarn, pull it through, and then chain 1 around the hoop edge. Now you're going to create 3 single crochets around the edge of the hoop, and then chain 2. And you're going to repeat this all the way around the hoop until the entire hoop is covered. It doesn't really matter how many it takes, although I think I did about 11 or 12 repeats for this 25 millimeter hoop that I'm using here. Once your entire hoop is covered, then you're going to do your final chain 2. And then what you're going to want to do is remove your hook from your working stitch and insert the hook from the back to the front through that very first single crochet. Then pick up the working loop and pull it through that single crochet. Now cut your thread and pull it through that loop and tighten it up. Now repeat that process with your second earring. Always check and make sure that you have the same number of stitches on both of your pieces. Now you'll want to thread your needle just with that end tail and then pull it through a few stitches at a time. It might be kind of tight and hard to pull through, so use your needle nose pliers to gently tug it through your stitches. Repeat this 2 or 3 times, and then you can trim your ends. All right, in order to attach your earring hook, you'll want to open that loop at the bottom of the earring to the side with your needle nose pliers, and then simply slip that open loop onto one of the stitches of your earring piece. Then close the loop on your earring to the side again with the needle nose pliers. There you go. Now you have a pair of Sweetie Pie earrings. These are so fast. Less than 10 minutes, you can make a pair. Thanks for watching.